Hello friends, I hope you all well. Today I'm out just to do some shopping and just to get a fresh air and just for the fun as well. Just came out and I hope you like this. As you can see, Christmas is near, so all the lightings looks really good, really beautiful. All the kids are enjoying, so it's fun, really good. I'm really happy to be out today, and I hope I will do some food shopping, and as well as I'll do some clothing shopping as well. So I just thought I would just quickly do some video and share with you all. So, and that's what it's really good. The road looks really good. So people is here, happy, walking, looking here, looking there. So it's really nice. I will go to market as well to see what they got, to check some fruits and vegetables as well. Hopefully I can able to do it in the right time. As you can see, big Christmas trees there. So, yeah. So in a market, so let's see what kind of vegetable they got. Vegetables, I want to get some cucumber, but it doesn't look great, so I'm just leaving that one. I'm going for the other vegetables. There are some fruits here, so apple, some oranges. So right now I'm in front of the Marks and Spencer. I'm just going to buy some clothes as well. So let's see. Let's go inside. This is actually I'm going to buy some coat and some tops for me, and hopefully I will get the one that I like. So as you can see, all those hair accessories, all the boots. This is one of the store that I choose to buy my clothing, and it's a good quality, and it's good make. So I always prefer to come here for my clothing. I hope you like this as well. As here is all the Christmas thing. Out from that supermarket, now I'm going back home. You can see I will see you next time, and hopefully I will meet you soon. Cooking with Siru channel. So have a good day. Thank you for watching.